environment, your friend in need. Being beautiful with forest to vast oceans, variety in flora and fauna. I fulfill your needs, but gets deeply hurted by your stepmotherly trait, like deforestation, exploitation of resources, pollution and population explosion. Organisms which are living on the earth don't know the real worth of environment. I provide some countless a benefit that you can't repay in your entire life. I protect every organism on the earth from natural and human hazards. I help every living thing on the earth to survive for hundreds of thousands of years. I provide you wood fertile to cultivate food. I provide grass to cattle. I provide water to every living organism in the form of rivers, lakes, ponds, etc. I plays a key role to maintain the earth as a unique planet in the universe. I give you motherly advice. Humans can't live without nature, but nature can.